Hi. I've been teaching drawing for years, and one of my little tricks is to teach people how to draw a boat in about 2 minutes. I shall try and show you this. I'll show you how to draw a boat from the front and from the back. Okay? Hi. The idea with this system is that you start with a figure of 8. A figure of 8 that is lying down horizontally on the paper. It's got to be quite flat. A figure of 8 like this doesn't do. You can't use this. You can't get a boat out of that. So it's got to be quite flat. Like that. You then go to one of the ends, the end which is going to be the sharp end, and then you find the place where this is most round and the highest point. You draw a line down about as long as this is wide. Then you go to the back end and you draw a line which is a little bit shorter, and then you get the two lines to join. You go over here and you get this line to come into here. Then you get your rubber and you rub out this line here. You see the boat already is coming out of the paper. This is the keel, so it's got to be a little bit thicker, perhaps a little bit higher. Here it goes into here. That is, and this goes underneath the boat. Okay. This is one of those old-fashioned boats made out of wood, so it's got boards here. And each board follows the line of the top line. In the end, it disappears underneath the boat here. On the other side, it goes this way here. But these boards here overlap. There, so it goes like that. The last thing to do is to shade the boat. We can start on the inside of the boat here. Okay, that's the inside of the boat, and then we want the shading on the side of the boat. If the light is coming from here, then we can shade it like this. Okay. Now we've lost some of these lines here, they've got to be drawn again. And we've got a little bit of shading on the other side as well. So that's our small rowing boat. Didn't take very long, did it? But look at this. If you draw the figure of 8 with the two round bits just as big, then you see the boat some 3/4 here. But if you now make one of these holes here a little bit bigger, then you're actually turning the boat a little bit more. So to turn a boat, for example a boat that's standing away from you, it's no good doing a figure of 8 like that. All the figure of 8s have always got to be horizontal. It just depends on whether you make these things equal or one of them is going to be bigger than the other one. And then you can turn the boat. If you're interested in learning a few more watercolor techniques and you like the way that I present things and teach, then you can go to my website and see my ebook. It's a book written specially with beginners in mind. The book contains 23 chapters which concern themselves with landscapes and water, the sea. The book is now improved with extra illustrations and video clips, and it costs $15 US or 13 euros. Payment is by PayPal, and I send the book by email. So go to my ebook webpage and you'll see the content of the chapters. And then you can decide if you want to buy it. And if you buy it, as soon as I get confirmation of the payment, so I send the book to you by email. Now let's have a look at the boat from the back. When we're doing the boat from the back, we start again with the figure of 8 lying down. But now we go to the middle part here and the end, and we do a heart shape. Something like this. Then we go to the front end and we do something like this. The length of this is about the same as the length of this. Okay? So you see the boat again? Now we rub this out, this line here. And we give it a hole here for the outboard motor. So this is where the outboard motor will sit if we have one. Now we can see the boat. Okay, from the back, this is the backboard. That's the front of the boat. The keel, it'll be around here somewhere now, inside the boat. If the boat again is made of wood, then the boards will be here. To about here. And again, it will overlap a little bit to there. Okay, what about the shading? Again, if the light is coming from that side, then there'll be a shadow on here. And then there'll be shadows on the underside of the boat. Most of the keel will be in shadow underneath the boat here. And then again, these lines here can be strengthened. The inside of the boat again will be dark. So we have a rowboat seen from the back. Quite easy really. Goes even quicker if I don't have to show it on video.